Okay, so when we bought this house, it didn't have a dishwasher, and we were really concerned about that. And we happened to find this lovely countertop dishwasher, and this is what it looks like. So you just open it up. You can see we have it loaded. I mean, it's great for just a couple of people, but you just have to run a couple of runs otherwise. Now, here is where you're going to put your dishwasher detergent. So you will put a tablespoon in the big slot. And then about a teaspoon in the little pre-wash slot. Okay, and then you're going to close that up. You will find the dishwasher detergent underneath the sink in the kitchen. Then close the dishwasher, and you'll have to actually turn it on. We usually set it for the speed setting, and how you set it is over here. You just turn the dial and set it for the speed setting. Now, before you turn it on, you have to hook up the water. So over here, we'll have the hose. I'm going to zoom in on what he needs to do. So you hold and push. Let's do that one more time. Hold and push down. Push it up on the faucet and then let it go up. And just make sure it connects. There, see? It's all connected. Now make sure you turn the water on, and it's the hot water. You're going to have to leave that on the whole time. Now there is a workaround if you need to do something in the sink while the dishwasher's running. You can actually use the sprayer, or you can use the little red button. All right, now everything is hooked up. All you have to do is press play, and the dishwasher will run. When it's done, it should have a little alarm. One major tip is we often forget and we turn the faucet off. The only way to fix that I found is you have to start over. So it'll run, and when it's done, you can just take it out and put it away.